Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the last video, we discussed basics of fundamentals, that is fundamental principle of counting. To the continuation of that class, we will discuss few examples. Say example 2 is given 4 flags of different colors. Given 4 flags of different colors. How many different signals can be generated? Here question is we have to generate different signals. We have to generate different signals, and if a signal requires, that means a given condition is if a signal requires the use of two flags, one below the other. Your question is here given 4 flags of different colors, that is nothing but here availability is 4 different colors. By using these 4 different colors, we have to generate a signal. If two flags one below the other. That means say first one solution is here 4 flags of different colors. That means given, first we should write given 4 flags and all 4 flags are different colors. Next, how many different signals can be generated? We have to generate different signals. If a signal requires the use of 2 flags one below the other, that means here we have to generate a signal. And 2 flags are one below the other. That means we have to generate a signal by using only 2 flags. That means here this one signal is there. We have to use only 2 flags and one below the other. That means here first vacant places is there and it is a second vacant places. That means empty spaces. Here first vacant places we can fill with how many ways? See here 4 different flags is there. That means I can fill in the first place in 4 different ways. In the first place we can fill with 4 different places, and I can fill second place. In as 3 different ways. Here 4 different ways, here 3 different ways, because in the first place we can fill with 4 different colors. We don't have exact color of the flag. We can fill with 4 ways. After filling this place, one of the color will be demolished. That means one of the color will be fixed here. Next, the remaining availability is only 3 flags. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 flags ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ 3 ways. ಈ ಎಂಟಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸಸ್ ನ 3 ways ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Therefore conclusion the required number of signals is the required number of flags, the required number of signals. How many different signals? The required number of signals by using 2 flags. By using 2 flags is how many ways we can fetch? 4 into 3 ways. How many ways means 4 into 3 ways. At a time we are using these 2 flags. In first place is 4 ways, second place is 3 ways. Therefore, the required number of signals by using 2 flags is 4 into 3. That is equal to 12 ways. 4 into 3 is 12. That means by using these 4 flags, we can generate one signal. And it contains only 2 flags. In 12 ways. Andre ಈ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ನ 12 ways ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. This is the example 2. Please pause the video and note it down. Next, example 3. See the question first. How many 2-digit even numbers? How many 2-digit even numbers can be formed? How many 2-digit even number can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if the digits can be repeated? Here question is we have to construct a 2-digit numbers. So 2-digit even numbers. That means we have to construct 2-digit even numbers by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if the digits can be repeated. Here given condition is digits can be repeated. See here first solution is Read the question carefully. We have to frame a two-digit even numbers. That means here vacant places is 2. See here vacant places is 2. That means it contains two digit. It is an unit place and it is a 10th place. Unit place and 10th place. See here, if you construct a two-digit even number means the unit place should be even number. Unit place should be even number, and observe here the availability is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In out of 5 numbers only 2 are the unit numbers. Sorry, 2 are the even numbers. 2 are the even numbers is either I can fill with 2 or 4. Either I can fill with 2 or 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರಬಹುದು 4 ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರಬಹುದು. We don't know, but to get the even number means it should be even. Next, here 10th place is there. 10th place we can fill how many ways? And see the condition, if the digits can be repeated ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಥವಾ 4 ಇರಬೇಕು. Here I can fill with 2 ways. See here unit place I can fill with 2 ways because here availability is only 2 numbers. Those 2 numbers should be even numbers. Next, but here there is no condition. Here there is no condition. In 10th place we can fill with 5 ways. We can fill with 5 ways. For example, see for example, here we have to frame a two-digit even number, and by using these two numbers either I can take 1 2 or 1 4 or 2 2 or 2 4 3 4 3 2 and etc. See, we have to frame a two-digit number like that. Observe, here all two-digit numbers are even numbers. Why? Because here unit number is even, 4 2 4 4 2 2, but here 10th place may be changes. 10th place may be changes. Either I can take 1 2 or 1 4 or 2 2 or 3 4 or 4 2 or 5 2. That means here 10th place we can fill with 5 ways. The unit place we can fill with only 2 ways. Why here 2 place means we have to get a 2-digit even number, and here digits can be repeated. That's why again we can take here 5 ways. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ numbers ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. For example, these are the numbers. Therefore, the conclusion. Therefore, the total number of ways, the total number of ನೋಡಿ, the total number of two-digit even numbers can be formed using the digits 1 2 3 4 5 is 5 into 2. See here, 5 into 2, that is equal to 10 ways. We can frame it two-digit even numbers by using these numbers in 10 ways. Please pause the video and note it down. Next one is example 4. See that one. Find the number of different signals. That can be generated. Find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least 2 flags. Find the number of generated by arranging at least 2 flags in order one below the other on a vertical step if 5 flags are available. Read the question carefully. Here availability means here 5 flags are available, and we have to construct at least 2 flags, and those flags should be different signals. That means we have to frame a signals by using 5 flags, and all signals should be different. And here condition is at least 2 flags. Condition is at least two flags. That means here observe here at least two flags means at least two flags means here we have to construct a signal. Here we have to frame a signals on vertical one by the other. At least two flags means first condition is I can use only two flags. I can use only two flags to construct a signal. I can use only two flags to construct the signals. That is, here take a signals is one below the other, one below the other. I can use only two flags to construct a signals. Also, I can use three flags. I can use three flags by using signals. By using signals, that means this signal should be contain three flags. 1, 2, 3. Next, third one. Also we can use different signals means we can at least two flags. Also I can use four flags. Also I can use four flags. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also I can use five flags also to construct a signals. Five flags means here 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here. Here given condition is find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least two flags in order of one below the other, and here maximum number of flags is 5. Maximum 5 flags are availability, and here at least two flags is there to construct a signals. That means here at least two flags means I can use minimum two flags. I have to use minimum two flags. It may be reaches to maximum 5 flags. This is the beauty of mathematics. See here at least two flags. Here condition is minimum two flags we have to use. Minimum two flags. Condition for minimum. Maximum it may be reaches to 5 flags. And ನೋಡಿ signals ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು one below the other ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ if I use only two flags means I use only two flags to construct a signals means here I can fill in 5 different ways. I can fill in 5 different ways. Why I am taking 5 different ways means here availability is 5 flags. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ here I can fill in 4 ways. I can fill with 4 ways. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ we have to frame a different signals. Different signals ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಲರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Here flags should not be repeated. That's why you can fill in 5, 4. Therefore here total number of signals by using two flags is nowadays total number of signals using two flags. Two flags is 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. That means here I use only two flags. That's why 5 into 4. Now you can try by using 3 flags. We have to frame a signals. Here first means I can fill in 5 ways. Here 4 ways. Here 3 ways. That means if first place ನಾವು fill ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 5 flags ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ 4 flags. ಈಗ 4 flags ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಉಳಿದಿರೋಂತ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ 3. Here 3 ways I can fill 1 places. Therefore the total number of signals to using 3 flags is 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60. 5 into 4 20, 23 is 60 ways. Next similarly by using 4 flags one below the other, here I can fill in 5 ways, here 4 ways, here 3 ways, here 2 ways. 5 4 3 2 1. 5 4 3. Here I can fill with 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore here 3 flags ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 2. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ only 2 flags will be availability. Therefore the total number of ways is total number of ways is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. That is 5 4s are 20, 23 is 60, 62 is 120 ways. 120 ways. That's the last one. Here we have to generate a signal by using 5 flags. That is, here I can fill with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And observe here flags should be different colors. Flag should be different. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Here total number of ways is to generate signal by using 5 flags. ನೋಡಿ, availability is 5 flags is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 20, 60, 120. Therefore, that is 120 ways. Here 120 ways. Therefore, now you see, find the number of different signals. Find the number of signals. Here I am writing the final answer. Therefore, the required number of signals is equal to if I use only 2 flags, that is 20 ways I can frame. Next, if I only 3 flags, 60 ways. Next, if I use 4 flags, 120 ways. Last one is again 120. We have to add all the numbers. See, 20 plus 60, 80, 80 plus 120, 200, 200 plus 120, 320 ways. 320 ways we can generate these signals by using 5 numbers. 50 ways. See here key point is find the number of different signals. That is our question. But the given condition is that can be generated. Avella signals ಹೆಂಗ್ generate ಆಗಬೇಕಂತೆ at least 2 flags in generate ಆಗಬೇಕು. At least 2 flags means I can use 2 flags or 3 flags or 4 flags or 5 flags. And condition is on a vertical stuff if 5 flags are available. Only 5 flags are available. That's why I use 2, 3, 4, 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 2, 3, 4, 6 ಅಥವಾ 7 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ಇದು ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 4. Please pause the video and note it down. Now we will start exercise 7.1. Let's first question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed? How many 3 digits number can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? See, the question is we have to frame a 3-digit number. By using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, assuming that, and here given some condition. First condition is repetition of the digits is allowed. And second case is repetition of the digits is not allowed. Here procedure is very simple. First, observe the number of vacant places. See here we have to frame a 3-digit number. First, second, third. See here 3-digit number, unit place 10, 100. 3-digit number is there. By using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, assuming that repetition of the digits is allowed. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಈ 3-digit number ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 number formation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by using these numbers. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ I can fill unit place in how many ways? I can fill unit place in 5 ways. ಈ 5 ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ways ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 5 ways number 5 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು 5 ways. ಈ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದರ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬಹುದು. We can take any number out of these 5 numbers. That's why I take here 5 ways. Next, also I can fill in second place as 5 ways. Also I can fill second number as 5 ways because here repetition is allowed. Here condition is repetition is allowed. That's why ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬಹುದು. ಬಂದಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬಹುದು. ಆಗ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 5 ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. Again here I can fill with 5 ways. Again I can fill with 5 ways because repetition is allowed. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದರ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಪುನಃ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬರಬಹುದು. ಆಗ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಸ್ ಇದೆ 5 ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್. Again here 110 plus again 100 plus again I have 10 possible, sorry 5 ways. I can fill with 5 ways, 5 ways, 5 ways. Therefore the total number of 3 digit numbers can be formed if repetition is allowed. That is the most important condition. Repetition is allowed is 5 into 5. That is equal to 125 ways. 125 ways we can generate a 3-digit number. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅದೇ 125 ತರಹದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಈ 5 ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. and condition is repetition allow ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. I think second condition is very for you. See here, repetition of the digits is not allowed. Again write 3 digits 1 2 3. Here repetition is not allowed. That means here I can fill unit place as 5 ways, 5 chances. 5 ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's why I taken here 5. Next here I can fill 4 ways because here one number will be fixed. Then remaining numbers is 4 numbers. 4 ways. Last one is clearly it is 3 ways. Here total number of digits, 3 digits number can be formed. Repetition is not allowed. Total number of 3-digit numbers if repetition not allowed is 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60 ways. Repetition allow ಆಗದಿರೋ ರೀಸನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 60 ways ಆಗಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲೋ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can construct in 125 ways by using 3-digit numbers, sorry, by using 5-digit numbers. Please pause the video and note it down. Yes, next second question. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed? How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 if digits can be repeated. See here how many 3-digit even number. Yes, first take 3 vacant places and condition is this number will be even number. Whatever we are constructing, that 3-digit number should be even number. If number should be even number means our unit place should be even. Here observe 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many even numbers is there? 2 4 6. I can fill only in either 2 or 4 or 6. ನೋಡಿ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಐದರ್ 2 or 4 or 6. That's why I can fill in unit place as 3 ways. I can fill that unit place as 3 ways. Then remaining place I can fill in how many ways, and observe digits can be repeated. Here total number of digits is 1 2 3 4 5 6. I can take 6 ways and here 6 ways. Nodi, once I am repeating. Here we have to construct a 3-digit even number. If the number should be even number means the unit place should be even. Here even numbers is 2, 4, 6. In more numbers matra chances ಇದೆ. That's why taken 3 ways. Then remaining numbers it may be 6 and 6. Total numbers ಕೂಡ ಬರಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ here digits can be repeated. Therefore your conclusion is total number of 3-digit even numbers is 6 into 6 into 3. 6 into 6 into 3, that is 36 into 3, that is 72 and 108 ways. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು 108 ways ಅಲ್ಲಿ 108 ways ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. And condition is the digits can be repeated. Next here third problem. How many 4-letter codes? See here, how many 4-letter codes? First letter, number of vacant places. 1, 2, 3, 4. The question over the barita solution. How many 4-letter codes? 1, 2, 3, 4 can be formed using the first 10 letters. Using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet. Is A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. First 10 letters of the English alphabet. If no letter can be repeated. Means here repetition is not allowed. RNA. Repetition is not allowed here. Repetition is allowed in the example, the question number 2. See here how many 4-letter code? 4-letter code. Here I can fill in how many ways? 10 ways. Here I can fill with 9 ways. Here I can fill with 8 ways. Here I can fill with 7 ways. Also we can take reverse also. 10, 9, 8, 7. We have to generate 4-letter code. I can take here 10 ways, 9 ways, 8 ways, 7 ways. Here repetition is not allowed. If no letter can be repeated. Therefore the total number of ways, conclusion, therefore the total number of ways 4-letter can be formed. 4-letter can be formed by using first 10 letters is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, that is 10 into 9, 90, 8 sevens are 56. If we simplify, here 0, 9 6 are 54, 5 carry, 5 4 are 45, 5 4 0 ways we can generate 4-letter code by using first 10 letters, and condition is repetition not allowed, RNA. Please pause the video, note it down. Next, fourth question. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67. And no digit appears more than once. That means here repetition is not allowed, RNA. Repetition is not allowed. See here, first, how many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed? Here how many digits is there? That means number of vacant places is 5-digit. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5-digit numbers. 5 telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9. Your availability is 0 to 9. That means total numbers is 10 numbers. Availability is 10 numbers. And your condition is each number starts with 6 7. That means the first 2 places are fixed. Notice the first 2 places are fixed. That is only 6 7. The waste number formation ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 6 7 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ here 6 7 means here only one ways, only one ways. ಈ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 6 ಮತ್ತೆ 7. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 10 numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 and 7 will be fixed. Then here remaining availability is only 8 numbers, only 8 numbers, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 8 9. ನೋಡಿ 1 2 3 4 5 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers are the available. Then here I can fill with how many ways here, and no determine more than once. 8 ways. Here I can fill with 7 ways. Last one I can fill with 6 ways. I can fill with 6 ways here. Here first two numbers will be fixed, that is 6 and 7 only. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 1 ways ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. Then remaining numbers is 8 numbers. We can fill 3 remaining places in 8 ways, 7 ways, 6 ways. Therefore your conclusion is total number of 5-digit telephone numbers, and each numbers start with 6 7 is how many ways? 8 into 7 into 6, that is equal to 8 into 42. 8 2s are 6, 16. Yes, 30. 8 2s are 16. LCM 1. 8 4s are 32. 336 ways. 16 32 1 336 ways. Here we have to construct 5-digit telephone numbers, and condition is first 2 digits should be fixed, 6 and 7. Remaining fixed is 6 7 6. Here repetition is not allowed. If the repetition is allowed, 8 ways, 8 ways, 8 ways, that is 8 cube ways. Next, see here fifth question. A coin is tossed 3 times. A coin is tossed 3 times and outcomes are recorded. How many ways, how many possible outcomes are there? A coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. How many ways? How many possible outcomes are there? See here number of vacant places is 3. Number of vacant places is 3. It shows here we are tossing it 3 times. We are tossing a coin 3 times. It represents on the first toss.